Awesome. So our company's go-to-market strategy. So we are going to go into direct selling, internet marketing, social media, and advertising, as well as storytelling ads. So our first one, we will market and sell our product directly to our consumers and target market, just because we do think that that would be beneficial and get the word out quickest. And then we will go into internet marketing and social media. We will email consumers with advertisements and pay for social media advertisements to promote our product. We will also utilize our company's own social media platforms to promote and advertise our products. Just because social media is such a key player in today's age, we definitely wanted to get out there and get the word out about our product. And then we thought of doing storytelling ads just because adhering to emotions and building our brand will bring attention to our product. So we thought doing a advertisement where it shows people connecting or something like that using our product would be really beneficial in our marketing strategy.